And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, welcome back to Poppy's Workshop. Similar, but not exactly like AVE would say, a special treat. A while ago I bought this tool because I'd seen it on R. Stephen Lang's channel, and it was perfect. I was commenting to all the YouTubers, hey, this is something I know every machine shop in the world wants. And then the batteries died, and in order to get the battery capsule out, I had to destroy it. I bought a new one. It's in there. You see the black lines there, and across there. That's where this baby's getting. With this. Without any further ado, actually, maybe, perhaps, move this stuff, and all this stuff, and no, without any further ado, here. Hey, I got a good light. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you're dying on me, aren't you? Circ light. You know, it's a circular light. Circular fluorescent just dying. Had it years and years and years. Oh well. Okay, so I measured, and if that has been known to happen. These cuff discs are fragile. But that could be a good thing. I mean, it's much better than a 15-cent silicon carbide parting disc go bye-bye than an expensive workpiece. Hey. I need this light here, sorry. I don't know. How it's affecting your view. Ambush over here. You notice I wrap tape around this thing to keep the dust out. Okay, now I can start on these longitudinals. It looks like it goes pretty much the way. I'm going to go over the other side now. Things getting a little warm. How did you come loose? Huh? How did you work loose? Ah! Now, not quite. Look close. Like I said, they're fragile. I wonder if perhaps first of all, I'm going to put that one aside. Put these glasses over here. Get the glasses I wear when I want to see what I'm doing in the real world, as opposed to my computer glasses. Wow, it's like opening my eyes. I think I'm going to drop down to a Lumox. It's a finer grade of abrasive than that silicone carbides I was going at. Okay, put your sleeve back on. You go in there, and you. I'm going to do the 3-hole drunk on this chuck here. Yeah. Now let's see if I'm close enough now. I'm getting really close. Okay, I'm going to go across the top some more. Monotonous, isn't it? You don't want to fit that one. How about you? There. I'm making real progress on going over the top over here. I know to some of you it may seem not so, but actually it's going real good. Okay. Very interesting. There we go. Very interesting. Okay, out of here, this is the inner part I just popped off. You see it's threaded. And this part here has the female thread. Okay, now come in here with a scalpel and go at these burrs. Okay. Perhaps you. Yeah. My reverse low angle truncated cone diamond point. Notice I didn't say burr, I said diamond point because it's a point. Yes. You gonna call that a wheel? No, that's a point. Okay, come over here. There. Okay. I do believe I has cut it back far enough. Now I want to get these out of here. Oh. There we go. Come on. Oh, come on. Ta-da! Got them out. See, I taped them all together like this. Experimenting, trying to fix this thing before I bought the new battery capsule. Set these here just one moment. And I know it's here. I know it's right here. Ah. Uh-huh. Hey, I got a suitable gripper tool in here. No, don't. There. Now, hey, it's out. Now, okay, the problem is right here, and you see the black lines. Anyway, I gotta take that corner and radius it. Okay, baby. Don't fall apart on me. I gotta fix you. I promise you'll be a project. Okay, now, in order to I believe I will start with this ball-shaped diamond point. Just apropos of nothing, but from watching Grismo, you know, if this was high-speed steel, he'd call it a lollipop. I don't know where that term came from. I've heard many other guys call it that. Yeah. How easy do you want? Ah. Hey. Now for the secret weapon. Drill hole. High cobalt. Number 50. So you right there. Come here, Flexi. Here, Flexi. Good, Flexi. Yes, you're a good Flexi. Yes, you are. Uh-huh. Yes, you are. Hey, other guys do it. Talk to their tools like that. I mean, when you got less than 50 subscribers, okay, and right. before I mess this up, yeah, put my macro flow fluid over here. Now, no. Yes. That's a tiny, tiny center punch, ain't it? That was a drive pin punch. Yeah. And this is going to hurt me more than it does you. Yeah. Let's get back to the subject at hand. All right. Let's find a nice spot where, get out of here, where I've already drilled into this galvanized bench top cover. Now, I didn't need the high cobalt in these drill hogs just to drill this number 50 hole. But these are the newest number drills in the shop, so and this is kind of an important job. So, oh, you see the thing I did? This sew to the bottom of the carpet, runner carpet, so it don't skid. Ease in getting it out. If you have any of this stuff, or I don't know, maybe a piece of muslin, or hey, even a ribbon you can bring down here, and whatever's clever, Teddy. Okay, now we come over here. Yeah. 256. I'm going to use the old school, as I recall, this is the one I used last time. That's about as much moisture as I'm going to let get near this baby cakes. Why'd you do that, Poppy? Let me show you. A jacking screw. Now here's the battery capsule. Battery number 1. Battery number 2. Get this last remnant of tape off of number 3. Put it in. Now, with the easing here and the jacking screw there. First, most important, after I peel off this blue painter's tape, now I'm going to have to dim the lights. Hey! Okay, it lights up. So I haven't just totally destroyed a $150 tool yet. What's that? Oh, if I really try, I can. Yeah, I know. I know if I try hard enough, I can do anything, even destroy a $150 tool. Okay, is there any of that blue tape out here? No, there's none of that blue tape out here. I took it all back into the house because I didn't need it out here. Well, if I put the collimator on there, there's just not enough side relief on that. So, yeah, I put the drill away. Diamond burr, you go back there, where I got your phone. Something a little more aggressive to go after that. Excuse me. Didn't mean to burp on camera. And if you didn't know, well, I did. Sorry. If I didn't excuse myself for it, one of you out there, there's like two of you watching. According to the demographics, there's like two of you watching me. Yeah, I see. Yeah, uh-huh. Catching on that lid. Well, earlier I was talking about lollipop. John Grismo over Grismo Knives would call that a lollipop. It's high-speed steel ball bearing. At Auto Fry, Rio Grande, Alpha Supply, you know. You, yay! Stay. Well, I expect it to stay. Ta-da! Success! Yeah! Okay. Jacking screw works. Cutting this back up here. Changing the angle of the dangle here and getting these two overhangs smoothed, rounded, so it slats in that. And the magic weapon, 256 screw. Call that jacking screw. In engineering, you use screws. A lot of things that are bolted together or sometimes hard to get apart. You have jacking screws or jacking bolts. So when you take off the nuts or bolts holding that end cap on something, You know, it's stuck on there. You can start turning the jacking screws and go. That's the theory. Often happens in practice too. Anyway, I'm going to go now. That's total success. The batteries go in and come out easy. It turns on and off. All you got to do is next time I use it, I got to adjust my polarized. Well, it focuses, but the uses polarization to come across that oval beam and cut it down so it's a. Well, anyway, it's done. Another triumph for Poppy. Good night from California. Stay safe. Hey gang, Poppy. I just came back in from the shop. As you saw, I took that laser and I did some surgery on it. That battery capsule goes in nicely without having to destroy it. I bought that model because I wanted the 1/4 inch, and I thought battery powered would be good. Maybe I'd want to rotate the spindle. My laser arrived so perfectly focused that all I had to do was play with the polarized containment. Yeah, it's a polarized lens. You turn it and you get across the oval beam and you get down to just a little itty bit. Anyway, it came so perfectly adjusted that spinning it would be, and the dot is so tiny, you know, it just didn't move. So, get the model you want and get it with the wall wart plug-in power supply. Because rotating it, unless you absolutely can't take a cord in there and plug it in, if you get the battery powered model, order it directly from the company. That's www.lasercenteredgefinder, one word, .com. And you'll get the SPA.LLP, that's the company. And have them ship, if you're going to get the battery, have them ship it to you without the battery capsule installed. And make it so that you can get it in and out easy before you. I recommend the wall wart powered ones. I really do. It's a beautiful tool. Anyway, good night from California. Stay safe. And from what I hear, there's a new variation of the COVID coming from Vietnam. I bet there are a lot of Vietnam vets who just saw the writing on the wall for that one, or think they do. Anyway, be careful, stay safe, masks, wear gloves, because it's a dirty world out there, and you bring that dirt to you on your hands. Yeah. Good night from California.